Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we're going to talk about HOT, which used to be a quite a popular coin back in the day. It was really the hot sample of the market, right? I mean, it was right up there on Binance. Everybody was trading it. It had a pretty good volume, but then slowly declined after some time. And I still believe when it comes to coins like this, right, like this one, that they still have this kind of old community, and even though may seem dead today, some of these big levels will still give you a decent reaction, right? So that's why I still sometimes proceed to trade these coins, just to get that initial reaction and just to book in a couple of percentages, maybe some fast profit, and that's about it, right? But first, before we go onwards, please guys, let me tell you to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, punch the notification button so that you get these videos on your front screen every day except on Sunday. Well, now going back to HOT, the area, as you can already see, and I think I've already talked about this area. Maybe it was in one of the streams. It was really back in the days, like in April or May, so it might have been on the streams. I'm not sure if I ever made video about it, but I don't think I did. And right now, as you can see, we are finally closing in on that area, right? And as we do a little bit of a long positioning right here, let's see what kind of stop loss it's fading us, and it is about, yep, it is about 14% stop loss. You gotta call this about 14% stop loss, but then again, it's a little bit wider because also you gotta remember this is a low Satoshi coin, and I know we are on USDT right now, but it's also, it's a low USDT coin as well, right? And that's why when you have these structures, it usually are the stops a little bit bigger, but that also means that the stops, or should I say the profit takes, are gonna be bigger as well, right? Because essentially speaking, if the stop losses are bigger, the profits are as well, right? The first profit target is going to be located right up here. It's a little bit under, actually, a little bit under. Oop, can I move it? Yep, a little bit under. And this one is going to be 1.7R or 24% on the entire coin. So you can see from right off the bat, the profit target is not even that bad, right? The profit target is pretty decent. The second profit target, we have to zoom in a little bit more in, and we're gonna place it right above here. It's gonna be about this, and this is one of those profit targets that we may again use the box, like we discussed in one of the previous videos on the trades, that we can actually use a box for profiting. And this is sort of a box that we can use, right? So on the bottom side of the box, as you can see, if we use a simple tool, we can see on the bottom side of the box the profit target is about 57%, and the top side of the box is about 66% on the entire coin, and you can see about almost 4R at the moment. So yes, this trade it usually is, when the old community hits in, or old FOMO, the guys who used to trade in the past, they usually pump it up, and you kind of get to book it. But to me, that would probably be the last profit target as well, because the coin is not the alivest yet. They don't have the best technology anymore. I'm not sure, like they're not moving with their products forward at the pace as they used to do it, right? So I wouldn't go for a third profit target because I do not believe that it's gonna go above this point. But if for some reason goes above this point, then I'll more and likely be happy to take a refill on the trade. But then I'm also guessing there's gonna be a lot more different coins that could be traded instead, right? I definitely don't want to hold this coin because, if it's not going to show some liquidity in life, I will not be interested, right? I mean, they definitely need some more help when it comes to that thing, right? So yeah, that would be pretty much a trade. I don't have the second scenario, unfortunately. I don't see any smart second scenario at this point, right? I don't even see a possible short anymore. I mean, it pretty much broke down without retesting. So yes, I mean, there are a lot of untested levels up here, but I wouldn't go into shorting them because the coins are too illiquid, and I don't like shorting illiquid coins because, a couple of whales hit in and you can get slipped by quite a lot. So I'm not really a fan of that. But long like this, on a long-term area, I'll always be happy to take because it does have a high success hit ratio. And again, guys, please do subscribe to our channel, like the video, punch this bell button, so you can get our videos on your front screen every day. And also join us at 4C community channels where we discuss trades like this, stop losses, and we do Ethereum, Bitcoin analysis almost every day. And yeah, we'll be awaiting you there. And I guess we will be seeing each other in the next one.